A family's airport adventure. At the airport, a family of four: father Tom, mother Emily, daughter Samantha, and son Jack is preparing for their flight. Tom: all right, everyone, double-check your bags. We don't want to forget anything important. Emily: don't worry, Tom, I made sure we have everything we need. Samantha: Dad, can I bring my favorite book with me? Tom: of course, sweetie. Just make sure to keep it in your backpack. Jack: Dad, can I carry my toy airplane in my hand? Tom: maybe it's better if you put it in your backpack too. We don't want to lose it. Emily: all right, everyone, let's head to the check-in counter. At the check-in counter. Check-in attendant: good morning. How can I assist you today? Tom: we're here to check in for our flight to Orlando. Check-in attendant: sure thing. Can I see your passports and flight tickets, please? Emily: here you go. Check-in attendant: thank you. And how many bags will you be checking in today? Tom: just these 2 suitcases. Check-in attendant: perfect. I'll tag them for you. And would you like to choose your seats? Samantha: can we sit by the window, Dad? Tom: of course, Samantha. Let's pick seats near the window. Check-in attendant: all set. Your boarding passes and luggage tags are ready. Have a great flight. Scene: waiting at the departure gate. Emily: look, kids, our plane just arrived at the gate. Samantha: wow, it's huge. Jack: I can't wait to get on board. Tom: remember, once we're on the plane, we need to listen to the flight attendants and fasten our seatbelts. Emily: and don't forget to turn off your electronic devices during takeoff and landing. Announcement: attention passengers, this is the final boarding call for Flight 123 to Orlando. All passengers please proceed to Gate 12 for boarding. Tom: that's us, let's go. Onboard the airplane. Flight attendant: welcome aboard. May I see your boarding passes, please? Tom: here you go. Flight attendant: thank you. Your seats are towards the back of the plane, on your right-hand side. Emily: thank you. Samantha: Mom, can I have the window seat? Emily: sure, sweetie. I'll take the aisle seat, and you can sit by the window. Jack: yay, I get the middle seat. Tom: all right, everyone, let's get settled in. Mid-flight. Samantha: Mom, look at the clouds. They look like fluffy pillows. Emily: they sure do, sweetheart. And look down there, you can see the tiny cars on the roads. Jack: I'm hungry, Dad. Can we have some snacks? Tom: sure thing, Jack. Let me check what they have on the snack cart. Flight attendant: good afternoon, folks. Would you like to buy any snacks or drinks? Tom: yes, please. We'll have some chips, a sandwich, and 2 sodas, please. Flight attendant: coming right up. Landing at Orlando International Airport. Pilot: ladies and gentlemen, we are now beginning our descent into Orlando. Please fasten your seatbelts and ensure your tray tables and seatbacks are in the upright position. Emily: hold on tight, kids. We're about to land. Jack: I'm excited to see Mickey Mouse. Samantha: me too. I can't wait to go to Disney World. Tom: we're almost there, everyone. Collecting luggage at baggage claim. Tom: all right, let's keep an eye out for our suitcases. Emily: I see them. Over there, on the conveyor belt. Jack: can I carry my suitcase, Dad? Tom: sure thing, Jack. Just be careful not to drop it. Samantha: Mom, can we take a picture with the airport sign? Emily: of course, Samantha. Let's capture this moment. Exiting the airport. Tom: well, we made it, everyone. Welcome to Orlando. Emily: what a smooth flight that was. Samantha: thanks for bringing us here, Mom and Dad. I can't wait to explore. Jack: yeah, this is going to be the best vacation ever. Tom: all right, let's find our rental car and head to our hotel. Emily: let the adventure begin. And so, the family's airport adventure came to a happy conclusion as they embarked on their vacation in Orlando. From the excitement of checking into the airplane, to the awe-inspiring views from the window seats, and finally, the joy of landing in a new destination, their journey was filled with memorable moments. With each step of the way, they stuck together as a family, ready to create new memories and experiences together. And as they stepped out of the airport, they were filled with anticipation for the adventures that awaited them in the magical world of Orlando.